How much does small business health insurance cost? My name is Mark Hirschlag, CEO of Cosmo Insurance Agency, and let's get right into it. What is small business health insurance? Well, the small business health insurance market is anywhere between 2 to 50 employees. So if you are 50 plus employees, then you are a large business. But if you are less than 50 employees, you're considered a small business. Average cost of small business health insurance is anywhere roughly about $500 a single. However, we've seen lately such competitive options out there that we're going down to about $330 a single for really great plan designs. So we're getting that small business feel as if you're a large group, which is really awesome. So what are the typical employer versus employee contributions out there in the small business market? Typical employer contributions definitely starts at 50%. I would say below 50% is just not competitive out there. And of course, as brokers, what we do for you is we'll benchmark based off your industry. So we'll take your industry. So if you're in the manufacturing industry, we'll go out and benchmark it versus other manufacturing industries, and we'll see what others are offering so you don't lose out on your competition, right? Isn't that we're always worried that you're going to lose your employees to your competitors? But definitely 50% is the minimum, but what's most popular is 75%. And then of course you get into what are you contributing towards your single, your couple, your parent, children, family. So those are all, when we benchmark it, we'll show you what other industries are offering so you know your competition. So what factors drive the cost for health insurance for small businesses? The good news is that we got both options when it comes to small businesses. So if you're a large group, usually it's going to be based off claims only. But when you're a small group, today, more than ever, we have options of, we could go based off your claims, we could do medical underwriting, and we could do the fully insured, straightforward options. So no matter what, if you got millions of dollars in claims going on with your employees, then you got that standard rate. And we're actually able to go out there and medical underwrite your plan. We could do it through a medical link by employees filling out a medical questionnaire. And the good news is we could even do it in the back end by medical underwriting by the insurance company running through the GRX. So we have so many options today in small businesses. Make sure you're taking advantage of all those options. So let's get to the bottom line. How could a small business go about reducing their health insurance costs? That's a great question. Well, those options out there, those medical underwritten options, it's important to take advantage of those options today. Don't just go for the traditional plans out there that your broker's out every year saying, all right, let's up the deductible this year and we'll lower the copays. The next year, he's like again, all right, let's up the deductible, lower the copay, and spreadsheet every year. No, there are so much more competitive options in small business out there today that if you are as small as 5 employees enrolled, we'll have those options that we run the GRX, we run the medical underwriting in the back end, so no need for your employees even to fill out any medical questionnaires. What are the benefits of offering health insurance for your employees? Well, you improve well-being for the employees, tax benefits, which means it comes off pre-tax for the employees, and of course, increased retention rates, which means retain and hire employees, because that is really the number one question that employees are asking when looking for a job is, what's my health insurance going to cost me? Is it going to be covered at 50%, 75%, or is it going to be covered 100%?